We are all born with the same human rights, and we should enjoy them at every stage of our lives. But we live in a world of negative stereotypes towards older people and older age. This ageism drives discrimination and the denial of human rights in older age across every aspect of life. We are all living longer. This is one of the major success stories of global development. By looking at a selection of countries across the world and plotting the percentage of people aged over 60 since 1950, we can see that the proportion of older people as part of the broader population is increasing everywhere. The size of the bubble represents the actual number of people aged over 60. Whilst this change happened gradually and over many decades in countries like Australia and the United Kingdom, this demographic shift is happening much faster in low and middle income countries such as Brazil and India, with most countries rapidly reaching the same percentage of older people as high-income countries. Our human rights do not change as we get older and populations age. Let's look at some examples. Almost half of older people globally do not receive a pension, rising to 3 out of 4 in low and middle-income countries. For many of those who do receive a pension, the benefit level is often low and inadequate. People aged over 60 account for 71% of deaths from non-communicable diseases in low and middle-income countries, yet global targets and indicators actively exclude older people by focusing on younger age groups. In these countries, more than 43% of older people live with a disability as a result of an accumulation of health risks from disease, injury, and chronic illness across the life course. Older people experience different types of violence and abuse, yet data is often only collected about women up to the age of 49. Older people are disproportionately impacted during emergencies. Only 2% of humanitarian expenditure responds directly to older people's needs. Older people are being denied the long-term support and assistance they need. Only 5.6% of the world's population lives in a country with national legislation providing universal entitlements to long-term support and assistance. The current international human rights system has failed older people. Age discrimination is only explicitly prohibited in 1 out of the 9 UN human rights treaties. Older people continue to be subjected to ageism and discrimination and denied their rights. Protecting and promoting older people's rights in national laws and policies and in a potential new UN Convention on the Rights of Older Persons can change this. To create a world where we all enjoy our rights, whatever our age and at every stage of life.